Hello, hello! I'm the diamond Firetail Finch. Imagine you're talking to a tiny, elegant, and sensitive bird like me. Today, I'm going to tell you, in my own voice, how to take care of me, what I eat, how I raise my chicks, and all the little secrets to keeping me healthy and happy. If you love the colorful world of finches and pet birds, hit that like button and subscribe so you won't miss any part of our bright and feathery journey. Part 1. Meet me. Who am I? Before we get into care and breeding, let me introduce myself a bit. My scientific name is Stagonopleura guttata, but most people know me as the diamond Firetail Finch. I'm one of the most beautiful finches in my family. My wings are dotted with white spots, my body has soft brownish-green tones, and my tail glows a bright, fiery red. In the wild, I prefer dry woodlands and grassy open areas where I can forage safely. I'm mainly a seed eater, but during the breeding season, I also enjoy a few tiny insects, which you call live food, to boost my energy. Important note, I'm a bit sensitive. Too much stress can affect my health and even my ability to breed properly. Part 2. My home, cage, and environment. Now let me tell you about my dream home. I like spacious cages or aviaries, not small cramped spaces. I need to fly short distances to stay healthy and happy. Keep my cage away from cold drafts or direct rain, because I don't do well in humid or chilly conditions. Make sure the floor stays dry, since dampness can bring disease. My perches should come in different sizes. That keeps my feet strong and prevents sores. I need natural light, but not harsh sunlight. A softly lit corner near a bright window is perfect. And please, keep my environment calm and consistent. Too much noise, movement, or frequent cage changes make me nervous. Part 3. My food. What keeps me happy? This part is super important. My diet decides how healthy and bright I stay. Number 1. Seed mix. Start with a high-quality Finch seed mix, small, clean, and fresh. That's the foundation of my daily diet. Number 2. Fresh greens and sprouts. Give me soft green leaves like spinach, parsley, or dandelion. I also love sprouted seeds, packed with vitamins and minerals. Number 3. Live food, during breeding. When I'm raising chicks, I need tiny insects or mealworms for protein and energy. Number 4. Clean water. Always give me fresh water. Change it daily. If you add vitamins, make sure the water isn't left out for more than 24 hours. Number 5. Calcium source. I need crushed eggshells or grit stones to help digest food and strengthen my bones. Part 4. Breeding, my path to parenthood. Oh, this is my favorite part. When I feel safe, healthy, and loved, I start showing nesting behavior. My partner and I usually lay 4 to 5 eggs, and we both take turns keeping them warm. After 13 to 15 days, the chicks hatch. We feed them a soft food mix and sometimes tiny insects. Within a few weeks, they start eating on their own and leave the nest. But remember, don't disturb the nest too often. If you stress us, we might abandon it. Part 5. Hygiene, health, and stress. Now here's the part that keeps me alive and cheerful. Clean my cage, perches, and nest regularly, at least once a week. Avoid strong-smelling chemicals. They can harm me. Keep the environment dry and ventilated. Watch for signs like fluffed feathers, half-closed eyes, or heavy breathing. They mean I'm sick. Don't move my cage around too often. Stability makes me feel safe. Oh, and I love to bathe. In warmer seasons, give me a shallow dish to splash around, but skip bath time when I have chicks. Part 6. Final words. And that's it. Now you know what I, the diamond firetail finch, love, need, and dream of. If this video helped you, please give it a like. It really helps our little finch family reach more bird lovers. And subscribe to stay with me on this colorful journey through the world of ornamental birds. In the comments, tell me, if you were me, what special food would you want your breeder to prepare? Or ask any question about finch care. I'll be more than happy to answer. Thanks for staying with me till the end. May your days be full of song, color, and gentle fluttering wings.